Okay, so ever since I started photography, the world of prints just seemed like a giant, mysterious, very fancy form of seeing one's art and photography out there. I don't know, like any other prints that I had ever seen at that point when I started my photography were just like black and white prints with like red bridges or like super common, basic household prints and stuff like that. And it never really seemed like something that I would honestly ever do for some reason. I don't know, it seemed like an untouchable type of thing, or like you had to be at a certain point in your career as a photographer or as a creative person and be actually able to sell some prints.
But then I realized one day that it wasn't that mysterious, so I started selling prints. And then I said, Kevin, you don't hop on selling prints. You're missing out on a lot of real estate, Gary Vee.
But yeah, basically, as Nathan just said it best himself, he started getting into prints, he started selling prints, and I was like, okay, he kind of pushed me to kind of start making prints for myself and being able to share them with other people. That way they can have a little piece of, if they're interested in my photography, for themselves. Well, we might die, but we'll do a cool video, so that works. Okay, well, walked into frame again, still not knowing what I have to say. So at first, one of the biggest misconceptions that I had about doing prints is definitely like basically because I never really looked into it, is basically the way that you would distribute your prints. Like I thought you had to, I know it's very dumb, but I thought you literally had to like, oh, go to print shops, get your stuff done, ship them to like your clients and people like that. And even though you could do that, that is obviously the way it was probably done back then. There definitely are ways to do it where you kind of don't really have to do anything but upload your actual photos to a website. And basically the whole process of doing prints gets taken care of you for like little to no cost maybe. In order to promote my personal prints a little bit more, I printed 3 of my prints that I kind of like a lot. Kind of wanted to put them obviously like in my room to kind of show like, oh, this could be your room, super vibey. And I also wanted to do something a little bit different. I mean, everyone does. I mean, that's like the perfect way to kind of like promote or show your prints is like obviously in someone's room where they might be, or like a living room or something like that. But I kind of wanted to do something a little different and kind of like, oh my god, there's like a bee or something. Kind of wanted to take my photos, frame them up, put them in different places to kind of like, a nature print in like an urban setting, and vice versa, an urban print in like a nature setting, just to kind of like, I don't know, to have fun, I guess. It's mainly that. Are they awesome photos? Probably not, but would they promote them? Hopefully. Yeah, that's why we're out here right now. We found this little cool spot where we're trying to like get some photos of one print, which I already kind of did, and you're gonna see some of that footage right now. But yeah, I actually dropped my print and there's poison oak, so am I gonna die? Maybe. I don't even know what poison oak does to you, but yeah.
Kevin, found a wild print.
Whoa, dude, that's like unheard of.
We start the 15-mile hike back to the car now.
We should probably get going. So after Nathan explained to me what he was using in order to sell his prints and how he set it up, like he was using Pixieset, which if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I love Pixieset because that's the website that I use to deliver all of my photos to all of my clients. I never really knew that you could set up an online store there. I knew you could sell prints from the sessions you've done, but I didn't realize that you would just make a little print session gallery and then you could sell prints from there to like whoever, has the link to that specific print shop basically. So one of the super awesome things about Pixieset, as I've said in multiple other videos, is that I love the way they present my work. I really love how it looks like when clients see it. It looks very professional, posh, polished, and it just looks super nice. The idea of doing a print shot there was kind of a no-brainer, especially because I already pay for the service itself. Although Pixieset is free, you can do like basically sell prints through Pixieset and it will be free. But I know the free service might charge you like a bit of like a 10% to 15% commission fee on anything you sell. So I mean, the service that I pay for, basically that fee gets waived, so I get to keep all that money. So you could set up your online print store and do it the free way and just charge a little bit extra for your prints just to make up for that commission sale essentially. Another reason why you should just do it, because I already have the service, it would just be like setting up a gallery and letting people buy shit for free. Well, I mean, anyway, yeah, you get the point.
I ain't even gonna lie, dog, like if I stand far back enough with a mask on and then like if I put on a hat, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between you and me, bro.
If I do this, yeah, there you go.
Like, bro. If I just like...
Difference? No difference.
Stay tuned for the next video where we realize that we have the same bag.
What's in my camera bag?
Pressure's on, Kevin has to make another video now. Psych!
Damn. We literally just parked. I'm too dark. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so we literally just parked and we kind of already got the shot per se. We're gonna make it worth it, so we're gonna go look around a little bit more and see if we could find another spot to take another photo of this. Okay, so excuse the framing, we're like on a little ramp thing and that's the only thing I could use to film myself, so yeah, you guys have to put up with it, sorry. So basically going back on the point about Pixieset is that in the end there's definitely other services or websites you can probably use to deliver like your photos or set up your photo print shop, but like for example the only one I really know of other than Pixieset is probably going to be Darkroom, but it's kind of they're kind of known for having like shady, like random charges that they do onto whatever like their commission is. So I mean, they kind of, I'm not gonna say they rip you off, but it's kind of like, okay, where is that percentage coming from? What's going on? But yeah, definitely Pixieset does not do that to you. There's no mysterious charges.
Print died.
Oh my god, my print fell. And the mirror broke. Can you show that actually? Yeah, my print fell and broke. Well, okay, so yeah, I guess it's kind of the sign that we should stop filming or something. I don't know. But yeah, guys, basically don't be scared. Just, I'm gonna wait till the bell stops actually. That might be a good idea. Okay, how long did Bell take?
Missing one more bell. That's 4 right there.
Okay, we're good. Awesome. All right, thank you, Mr. Bell. It'd be a cool idea if you did start your print shop. I mean, don't feel like you're too small to start one, because that was definitely my issue. Is your car coming? That was definitely my issue, guys. I felt that I was a small photographer and that I didn't have enough, or that no one would want or be interested in buying my photos, basically. So don't let that stop you. As photographers, people already hire you and pay you to do their photo sessions. They wouldn't mind paying you to own a piece of your art. So see it that way, guys. I was really, had a really wrong mentality about this thing the whole time, and all the time it was stopping me. Obviously, like prints, the #1 thing is people want to have your art for themselves, and also it kind of provides you with extra income or passive income that you can make. So, you know, being a photographer, sometimes it's not the most lucrative at first, and this is a good way to kind of get the ball rolling to make some passive income, besides the fact of you booking and doing shoots, weddings, all that crazy cool stuff. So yeah, guys, I just want to talk about that, my personal experience with prints. Definitely, I'm going to try pushing them more to share with people. I feel that, you know, I'm coming to terms with like, okay, I make decent photos. Some people might be interested. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm actually really sad my thing broke. Actually, it was Carla, so she might get mad that it broke. But you know what? Oh well. Buy a print so you can buy me a frame? Maybe? Okay, no, never mind. Thank you for tuning in, guys. That's it for us today. We're gonna leave here before we get shot. Have a good rest of your day and all that cool stuff. All right, guys, subscribe, like, comment. More videos to come, I guess.
Pixieset sells frames now with their photos that you can buy, so that way you don't have to go to Target and buy bunk ass
Look,
frames.
look, it's broken. It ends right there. I don't want to cut myself, but
Like it's
God.
shiny and then it's not.
okay, so giving this print away. All right, bye.